What if I told you there is one brand new AI tools that can literally transform the way you work, learn and create content faster than ChatGPT, more visual than Midjourney and smarter than your average AI assistant? Welcome to the future. Welcome to Helio AI. In this video, I am going to break down the what Helio AI is and why it's blowing up right now, and how you can use it to level up your productivity and creativity and tech game. Stick around because what you will see at the end might just replace 3 of your current AI tools. Yes, seriously. Now, what is Helio AI? Now, let's start with the basics. Helio AI is not just another AI chatbot or content creator. It's an all-in-one, means AI-powered platforms. Now that brings together visual generation and natural language understanding and real-time assistance. Okay, and think of it as the Swiss Army knife of AI tools. Now, feature include, there are some features which is included in Helio AI. First, it is one smart writing and editing. Number 2, image generation from text like Midjourney. Number 3, code suggestions and debugging like GitHub Copilot. And last but not least, and even voice commands and AI avatars. And guess what? It's designed for both creators and developers. So whether you are a YouTuber, programmer, designer, or just some curious about AI, so AI, this tool, it fits you. Okay, now part number 2, real-time demo or examples. Now let me show you what I mean. I give Helio AI a prompt. I give the one prompt of a Helio AI. Please generate a thumbnail for a YouTube title, top 5 AI tools in 2025. Here's what it created. Completely AI generated in under 20 seconds. Looks like something from a pro designer, right? Okay, it will build a one thumbnail for me like a pro designer, like a very easy, very unique thumbnail in under 20 seconds. Then I asked it to write a script for a product launch. Not only was it fluent, but it even suggests our background score and thumbnail title. Okay, and if you are a coder, check this out. I asked it to debug a React app, and it not only found the issue, it explained it in a plain English. Means that if you go on to the ChatGPT and if you ask, please debug what is the error in this React code, so it will be not debug. Okay, because ChatGPT will be not debug, but go on to the Helio AI, it will be debug for you, and then it will give you the solution also. Now, what makes Helio AI different from ChatGPT and Midjourney and these all the things? Let me explain to you. So what separates Helio AI from other AI tools? First, speed. It's lightning fast, means that it will be give your question of your answer very fastly. Number 2, multimodal capabilities, mean that text, images, codes and audio all in one. Okay. Number 3, clean UI, means that super beginner friendly. Number 4, team collaboration, means that it is great for teams, okay, who are working in some company. So it is great for teams working on content, scripts or tech projects. Number 5, there's a last one, customization, mean that you can train it on your brand voice. Okay, you will be trained it for your brand voice and style and templates. Now, it's not just a powerful, it's personal. It learns from your Google prompts and improves over time. Now, how can you use it today? Now, today, how you can use it? Now, there's a very main thing. Now, here's how you can make Helio AI work for you right now. First, YouTuber or content creator. Use it for thumbnails, title, scripts and edits. If you are a YouTuber or you are a content creator on the social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Now, not Twitter, okay, only LinkedIn, Facebook, and these type of. Now, developers. If you are a developer, use it for debugging, code generation, or documentation. It is also, you can use it for developer can also be use it. Okay, marketer means marketer or business owner, use it for product description and copy and presentation. Means that some people are very e-commerce websites, so you can get here product description and like add copy and like a presentations, okay, like this, okay. And now last one, student or teacher, means that summarize long text, generate quiz questions, or write essays. Means that it is a very benefit for student and teacher, because it will be generate your quiz questions and like it write one essay for you, okay. There are four things who can use this today. Means YouTuber or content creator will also use it. Helio AI developer can also use Helio AI. Marketer or business owner can also be used this Helio AI, and student and teacher will also use this Helio AI. And one more thing, and here's the one cool part, it's available on both desktop and mobile, okay. Means that you can also be use this Helio AI in mobile, and you will be also use it in desktop. So your creative assistant is always in your pocket, okay. Now, final verdict and the future. Now, so is Helio AI worth the hype? Absolutely. It's still early, but it's already smarter, more flexible, and better design than most tools out there, okay. Whether you want to boost productivity, creating stunning visuals, or just explore the future of AI, Helio AI is one of the most exciting platforms to watch in 2025. I also don't know what is Helio AI and these other things. Now Gmails are coming. Please visit Helio AI. So I have gone to the ChatGPT and I said what is Helio AI and what is the work. Then I will be read this work of the Helio AI. So I think there are so many benefits of Helio AI we can use. We will be made our life easier. So I say let's share it. Let's make a video on it and let me share it with you also. So then I will be share it for you. So but anyways, if you are excited as I am about Helio AI, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools, breakdowns, and let me know in the comments what will you use Helio AI for development, for debugging, YouTube content creator, marketer, businessman, or a student or teacher behalf of. And if you want a full tutorial of comparison with ChatGPT and Midjourney, drop a comment below. And now let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that of our videos. And I hope you enjoyed this full video on about Helio AI. Okay, so now let's meet you in the next video. So for today, goodbye.